Hello to all my friends out there. And so I am really excited because I got a new chili recipe. And on the video, it's called My Mama's Chili. And I posted it on my Twitter. And I also posted it on the preceding video. I'll show you in a minute. So it's really easy. I use all the stockpile food. That's why I really liked it. And another thing about this is, let me see if I can show you. First of all, it's delicious and it makes a lot. So figure I have about a half a pound. I just made a little batch. Okay, so now let me taste it and I will tell you. If I like it, I will tell you. If I hate it, I'm going to say, sorry, Mama. It's terrible. I hate it. It doesn't look like I'm going to hate it. All right, let me taste it. Okay. That is good. And in his video, he made mention of making this once a week. And I was thinking, you know, that is really a smart idea. You know, it's cheap, it's delicious, it's easy to make, and you know, you can just have crackers. This is what I like to do. Or tortilla chips would be really good. Oh, you guys got to try this. You know, if you can find a good chili recipe, a good spaghetti recipe, a good chicken recipe, get a few thin cut steaks and pork chops, some hamburger and some hot dogs, you know, you can pretty much survive. Oh, you gotta try this. Let me give you the recipe. Okay, he used the light red beans. I had chili beans in the stockpile. And the thing about this is it's everything I had in the stockpile. 1 can tomatoes. I don't have very many tomatoes. I need at least 6 cans tomatoes. Cheese, hamburger, and I used my Dollar Tree hamburger, 1/2 pound for $1. Hot sauce. I just used Tabasco. Crushed red pepper flakes. A package of chili. I usually keep that, and onions. If I didn't have any onions, I could use dry onions. And here is how to find his video, which of course is better because it's his video. I really like, he's got more stuff too, you know, cooking stuff. So I'm excited. Okay, this is really good. And so, you know, I want a little tea, a little mint tea. I like mint tea. I have a little hazelnut coffee creamer in there. This tea, this particular brand of tea takes a long time to steep. Maybe because it's green tea, but it's really good. Also, you could use the cinnamon, the lemon, and the honey. But I think this is less calories and it's very tasty. That's good. And I have a few tea cookies for dipping. I bought the cheese on markdown and I keep this in my stockpile. So what I'm going to do when I start buying food is I am going to make sure that I have enough of this. I will buy, this is just for chili, 2 pounds of hamburger. I'll probably buy these these dollar hamburgers. I'll buy a big cheese, 4 cans beans, 4 cans tomatoes, and 4 packages of chili. I think that's a good idea to have this once a week. And it's quick. I'm telling you guys, try this. It's very yummy. Okay, this is meal number 2, and God bless you all.